What's up, YouTube? No, I was supposed to give an update and show the build, but I got overzealous and it got built. What can I say? It's built. But this is the second iteration, and I do call it White Girl for obvious reasons. It's white, but anyway. Put it through its paces, did a 30-mile ride with it, and came back. And this is the T3 motors on a 100 amp Sabaton controller. So needless to say, 50 miles an hour is definitely a factor. Range was pretty good on it. Came back with about 74 volts. Of course, you had some sag in there with that. On this one, I had also added some Statorade and some fins, some cooling fins. I never really had a problem with overheating, I don't think. I've always checked it. It's been about, after a good ride, about 120. So I guess that's good. I took and put a riser on it. Gave me more of an upright position. Leaning over is a little hectic. What else I should mention? Some people might say, well, you don't have any suspension on there. Yeah. Tires are pretty mushy, so suspension is pretty good. Nowhere near, I know, the suspension you would get with a rear suspension and a front suspension fork. But again, my reasoning behind that, because like I told in my other video, is that I have 26-inch real wheels, and then after you add tires, they're 29s. And if I tried to put the right suspension on there so that it wouldn't bottom out, the bike would be tall like a dirt bike type. I couldn't get on it, let's put it that way. I mean, I could, but I would have to stand on something to stand on. It'd be like one of those real big dirt bikes, and I wasn't going for that. So I dropped it down just like I did the first one. And it's doing pretty good. I try to get some ride footage in there. But yeah. Basically the same build except for with a different wheel, and the windings is different from what I understand, and it's just more speed. So yeah. That's my build for right now. Like I said, I'll try to add some more onto that. With the platform, I think it makes it look a whole lot neater. You know, those mongoose frames, they're like they were put together, which they were. But this, you got everything contained in the battery compartment, well, the center compartment, battery and controller. My downside compartment, I put all my tools in there, except for, of course, the Allen wrench to open it up, which I'm going to try to remedy that by putting some quick access bolt in there or something, slide it all the way through. But it's got a spare tire in there, and the wrenches I need to take the wheels off, and that's it. But they're in there, out of the way. Don't have to worry about trying to put them anywhere else. Yeah, it's like I said, it's a nice ride. I also, on this one, like the other one, I put a derailleur on it. This e-bike is definitely paddleable. If anything was to happen, I could still paddle it. Now, one thing I found is that you can only come down, say, about to that fourth gear. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that'd be low, or they call high. I don't know. I guess they call it low, because the chain will hit the rail right there. I have a guard coming for that. I'm gonna put that on there, but I have it set where it don't go below that. So paddling, when I was on flat ground paddling, I got it up to 16 miles an hour, which was a struggle because really need some higher gears to get it going anymore. But it was capable. You know, you can paddle it. I mean, it's not like a unpaddleable bike. Total weight on this, I weighed it, is 120 pounds. Right at it. I'm just gonna call it 120 because it's like 118 or something like that. But I'm just gonna call it 120. Yep. All right. That's my video. Just want to give a little update. I did get it done. I looked back and noticed it's been 3 weeks and I hadn't said anything. All I said was I was putting it together, but yeah, it's together. And it's pretty much done. All right. Sorry for the darkness, but just a quick video. Later.